IRCC's crackdown on fake foreign work experience. Why is IRCC so strict these days? Don't risk your future in Canada by providing either false information, which can further lead to a ban for misrepresentation. So, how can one avoid these problems? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cougar Immigration. I'm Rashmi, your legal representative from Windsor, and today we will be discussing a very serious topic: IRCC's crackdown on fake foreign work experience and sudden changes on your profile, and how it can have devastating consequences on your immigration application. Let's talk about fake work experience. Now, it may seem like a great idea to put false information on your resume to just make it look better and improvise on your resume, but let me tell you, this is a huge risk and probably a very bad idea. IRCC has sophisticated methods to verify your previous work experience, and they're enforcing that more so today than ever before. They can contact your previous employers, they can check your prior tax records, they can even investigate online for the company's business presence, and getting caught can essentially lead to a refusal by default, but it can also lead to receiving a PFL, which is a procedural fairness letter issued by the officer, which can further lead to a ban for misrepresentation. Let me give you some examples. The first example, imagine this. You've claimed foreign work experience as a software developer with a company abroad. IRCC officer decides to give that company a call and verify your work experience. They come back with nothing. What do you think will happen at this point? The application will immediately get flagged for misrepresentation. Here's another example, and this is where things can get really tricky. There is a couple who is in a common law relationship for over a year. Let's call them a boy and a girl. The boy applies for permanent residency and successfully gets his PR in Canada, but has not declared his common law relationship and instead has claimed that he is single. And now, when the girl, after 1 year, goes ahead and applies for permanent residency under the family class, the application will immediately get flagged for misrepresentation. And at this point, this can not only negatively impact the girl's application, but this can also lead to a revocation of permanent residency for the boy, which is very serious. Now, something like this can generally happen when you withhold material facts that can affect the final outcome of the application. In a lot of my recent consultations, I've been coming across this one common question: why is IRCC so strict these days? And that is mainly because IRCC has found a rise in the amount of applicants that are trying to commit misrepresentation on their applications. And IRCC's core principles rely on honesty and transparency. They need your accurate information in order to ensure your eligibility, thus maintaining the integrity of the system. So whether misrepresentation was committed intentionally or not, it can have the worst outcome for your immigration application. So how can one avoid these problems? First, be truthful and accurate on your application. Never exaggerate or fabricate any information on your profile. Second, immediately inform IRCC of any changes in your profile, no matter how small they seem to you. And third, if you are unsure about how to navigate your immigration application, consult with a regulated immigration legal professional who can guide you on the right path while being on your side. At Cougar Immigration, we have seen devastating impact of misrepresentation on applications. We are committed to helping our clients every step of their way while maintaining accuracy, integrity, and truthfulness. Don't risk your future in Canada by providing either false information or by withholding important material facts. The consequences are just not worth it. Your immigration path to Canada should be a proud one based on honesty and integrity. With this, I'm signing off, but I'll catch you in the next video with some more information and pathways that can help you in your Canadian immigration journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your concerns so that we can help you in the next video.